Okay, so we are unboxing a earthquake. What the hell? That's in French. Sorry, I don't speak French. Okay, this is a one-man auger. Okay, instead of putting a device in your tractor, it comes with. Well, you gotta buy this separately. But this is to dig holes so you can build a fence. Traditionally, I use a postal digger manually, but I'm gonna give this a try and hopefully it works better than what I'm doing now. Here you go. Okay, there's the manual. Oh, I think I gotta flip it. Let's see what's in here. I mean, it's already put together for you, so shouldn't be that hard to use it. Oh. Looks like there's oil. There's oil on these things. Comes with 2-cycle engine oil. Here's the on and off button. A choke. And there's oil on it. Okay, so this is a pull-on, or it's got the pulling cable to start the engine. I'm gonna use 50 and 1 2-cycle oil, engine oil. I'm sorry, engine fuel. And this is where you put the attachment. And this is the attachment. So let's just go ahead and put it on there now. Looks like it fits, maybe. All right. A little bit of rust in the screw.
That come with it?
This came with this. All right, where's the more? Okay, this is a 9/16 socket. And make sure that this is on here tight, because it's gonna be spinning, hopefully spinning on its own and not with you. I'm gonna try. Okay, it's good. So as you can see, we got the engine handles put together with the, I guess, auger bit, drill bit. I think that's supposed to be like that. Okay, we're gonna put 50 and 1 mix engine fuel plus oil for a 2-cycle engine. Nope. Okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Well, I'm not gonna use this yet. I'm gonna start it first, see if it starts.
Another choke.
Okay, to start this thing, you gotta, this is the primer right here. You gotta prime it 3 to 6 times. So I'm gonna do 1, 2, 3. And you gotta have the choke on this position down. The on and off switch has to be on. And now we gotta pull. Let it run a little bit so it can get warm. But first pull is pretty good. Alright, so we're gonna turn it off. That's the off switch. And it's off. So now we're gonna take it to the chicken coop area and we're gonna give it a test run. And hopefully I won't spin with this thing. Okay, so we're starting to build our big chicken coop. Right now we got the small chicken coop right now. We bought that chicken coop from a guy that uses scrap wood. This is temporary, but now we're gonna build a big one with a long run. And this is where this little tool comes into place. So I have never used one of these. So this is the first time ever. But this is the starting point of our chicken coop. First pole will set the fence line. So this first dig is critical. So here we go. And I'm gonna start slow so I don't get dragged around. I hope. Pretty easy so far. Let me just say, I think the length of this thing is 2 feet, if I'm not mistaken.
It's 2 feet.
About 2 feet. This thing is awesome. Wow, this is, I didn't expect this. I thought it was going to be a lot harder, but we also got to think about the soil, okay? This is very soft soil. There's some clay, soft clay, and some sand, but this was, wow, I'm impressed. This was like butter. So I didn't even put a lot of effort into this. So I'm really happy. If you need one of these, I strongly recommend it. If you're building fences like I do, I've been building fences for like past 10 years. It never gets really any easier. So yeah, I strongly recommend it. I'll put a link into this. I'm not affiliated with anybody. It's just a really good tool to use. So thank you for watching, and catch you in the next one.